Since our app will have notes and notebooks, we'll probably need those two entities. Let's start with a notebook. We will need the following attributes: name and creation date. Name will be a string and creation date will be a date. Once Xcode turns notebook into a class, it will also turn each of these attributes into properties. We can also configure the attributes over here. Optional specifies if this property must always be present or not. Should a notebook always have a creation date? I'd say yes. Validation rules allow you to provide core data with constraints for a value. For example, if you have an attribute called salary, it should always be greater than 0. Therefore, you should set salary to have a minimum value of 0. Core data will make sure you never save a value that is less than 0. Now go ahead and create your own entity notebook. Now let's move to the node entity. It will have the following attributes: creation date and text. Should a node always have a creation date? Yes. So we'll set it as optional. Text, should it always have a text? Well, it might be empty, so I would leave it as optional. This transient checkbox here means that the property will not be saved in core data. I wouldn't use this, so we'll forget about it. Now go ahead and create your own node. There's one thing missing here. One notebook will have several notes, and a node will have only one notebook. It's important to make sure that our data model includes this information. We'll do this in the next video with relationships.